Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked but is crucial for anyone serious about their fitness journey: secret tricks to enhance workout recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, understanding how to recover effectively can make all the difference in your performance and overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore a variety of innovative recovery methods that go beyond the basics. From advanced techniques like contrast baths and foam rolling to the benefits of nutrition and sleep, we'll cover it all. You'll learn how these strategies can help reduce soreness, improve muscle repair, and even boost your energy levels for your next workout. Effective recovery isn't just about feeling good, it's about maximizing your gains and preventing injuries. By incorporating these secret tricks into your routine, you'll not only enhance your recovery but also elevate your fitness game to new heights. So, stick around as we unveil these powerful tips that can transform your post-workout routine. Understanding workout recovery. Workout recovery is a vital component of any fitness routine, serving as the bridge between intense training sessions and optimal performance. Essentially, workout recovery refers to the processes your body undergoes to repair and rebuild muscle tissues after exercise. This phase is crucial for muscle repair and growth, allowing your body to adapt to the stresses of training and emerge stronger. The significance of recovery extends beyond just muscle repair. It plays a pivotal role in overall performance. When you allow your body adequate time to recover, you reduce the risk of injuries that can arise from overtraining. This means fewer setbacks and more consistent progress toward your fitness goals. Moreover, proper recovery can significantly enhance your workout results. When your muscles are well rested and nourished, you'll notice improved strength, endurance, and even mental clarity during your next session. By prioritizing recovery, you're not just taking a break, you're investing in your long-term fitness success. So, understanding and implementing effective recovery strategies is essential for anyone looking to maximize their workout potential and achieve lasting results. Nutrition for recovery. When it comes to effective workout recovery, nutrition plays a pivotal role. Key nutrients are essential for muscle recovery, with protein and antioxidants topping the list. Protein is crucial for repairing and building muscle tissues, while antioxidants help combat oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. To support your recovery, consider incorporating specific foods into your diet. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein. For antioxidants, fruits such as berries, cherries, and oranges are packed with vitamins that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Additionally, consider supplements like whey protein or branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, to give your muscles an extra boost. Timing is also critical when it comes to nutrient intake. Aim to consume a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. This window is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients, helping to replenish glycogen stores and kickstart the recovery process. By focusing on these dietary strategies, you can enhance your recovery and set yourself up for success in your next workout. Hydration techniques. Hydration is a crucial yet often underestimated aspect of the recovery process. Proper hydration significantly affects muscle function and can speed up recovery time. When your body is well hydrated, it helps maintain optimal muscle performance, reduces fatigue, and aids in the transportation of nutrients necessary for muscle repair. Dehydration, on the other hand, can lead to cramping, decreased strength, and longer recovery times. To stay hydrated effectively, it's important to develop a routine. Start by drinking water throughout the day, aiming for at least half your body weight in ounces. During workouts, sip on water every 15 to 20 minutes, especially if you're exercising for over an hour. After your workout, replenish lost fluids by drinking water or an electrolyte-rich beverage. Electrolyte-rich drinks, such as coconut water or sports drinks, can enhance recovery by replacing essential minerals lost through sweat. These drinks not only help with hydration but also support muscle function and reduce the risk of cramps. By prioritizing hydration before, during, and after your workouts, you'll set the stage for faster recovery and improved overall performance. Active recovery methods. Active recovery refers to low-intensity activities performed after intense workouts, designed to promote recovery without putting additional strain on your body. Unlike complete rest, active recovery keeps your blood flowing, which can help reduce muscle soreness and stiffness while enhancing overall flexibility. This approach allows your body to recover more efficiently, making it a valuable addition to any fitness routine. There are several effective activities you can incorporate into your recovery days. Yoga is an excellent choice, as it not only promotes relaxation but also improves flexibility and balance. A gentle walk or light cycling can also be beneficial, providing a way to keep your muscles engaged without overexerting them. These activities encourage circulation, helping to flush out lactic acid and other toxins that can accumulate after intense workouts. By integrating active recovery techniques into your routine, you can experience reduced soreness and improved range of motion. This not only aids in quicker recovery but also prepares your body for the next workout session. Embracing active recovery can lead to better performance and a more sustainable fitness journey overall. Sleep and recovery. Sleep plays a critical role in workout recovery, serving as the body's natural repair mechanism. Quality sleep is directly linked to muscle recovery, as it is during deep sleep that the body releases growth hormones essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. Without adequate sleep, your muscles may not recover fully, leading to decreased performance and increased risk of injury. To improve your sleep hygiene and enhance recovery, consider establishing a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a calming bedtime routine that includes activities like reading or gentle stretching to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Additionally, ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. For athletes, the importance of adequate sleep duration cannot be overstated. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize recovery and performance. By prioritizing sleep, you'll not only enhance your recovery process but also improve your overall athletic performance, making it a key component of any fitness regimen. Mindfulness and recovery. Mindfulness practices can significantly enhance recovery by promoting relaxation and reducing stress, which are essential for optimal physical healing. Techniques such as meditation and deep breathing exercises are effective tools for calming the mind and body. By focusing on your breath or engaging in guided meditation, you can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can hinder recovery and muscle repair. The mental benefits of mindfulness extend beyond stress reduction. Practicing mindfulness can improve your focus and mental clarity, allowing you to better connect with your body during workouts and recovery. This heightened awareness can lead to more effective training sessions and a deeper understanding of your physical limits, ultimately enhancing your overall performance. Incorporating mindfulness into your post-workout routine can be as simple as taking a few minutes to sit quietly and reflect on your workout or practicing deep breathing exercises to help your body transition into recovery mode. You might also consider adding a short meditation session to your cool-down routine. By embracing mindfulness, you can create a holistic approach to recovery that nurtures both your body and mind, leading to improved results and well-being. In this video, we've explored essential strategies for enhancing workout recovery, highlighting the importance of a well-rounded approach. We discussed the significance of nutrition, emphasizing key nutrients like protein and antioxidants, and how proper hydration can support muscle function and recovery speed. We also introduced active recovery methods, such as yoga and light cycling, which can reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Additionally, we highlighted the critical role of sleep in muscle repair and the benefits of mindfulness practices for stress reduction. Integrating these recovery tips into your fitness routine is vital for maximizing your performance and achieving your goals. Remember, recovery is not just a break, it's an essential part of your training that can lead to better results and a healthier body. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on fitness and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these recovery strategies. Together, we can all work towards a more effective and enjoyable fitness journey. Thank you for watching.